You searched how to buy shares of i3 Verticals Inc., so this short guide will show the practical steps. i3 Verticals provides vertical payment and software solutions and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker IIIV. This is educational information only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as the example platform to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker IIIV to find i3 Verticals. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to open the company page. On the stock page, review the company's summary, sector, and recent news to confirm it is i3 Verticals Inc. Check the price chart and the IIIV ticker at the top to ensure you have the correct NASDAQ listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade is placed or executed, the position will appear in your portfolio. A link to the example eToro page is available in the description if you want to follow this walkthrough.